The three modes of Microsoft Copilot. In this second part of explaining the balanced or default mode of Copilot, we'll examine Copilot's ability to interact with and control and command the operating system. To launch an app, you can say or type something like Open Excel. Let me demonstrate. I've opened Copilot using the Windows key and C for Copilot key combination. In this example, we're going to use Copilot to open Excel. So here's the prompt. Open Excel. Let's submit that prompt and see what happens. I have to say, yes, I wanted to do that. And as you can see, it's opened Excel, ready for me to get to work. Work smarter, not harder. Let Copilot do some of the work for you. Copilot can even open your next Zoom meeting. Let me show you how that's done. I've opened Copilot by using the shortcut key of the Windows key and C for Copilot. Next, I'll give it a command, and the command this time is Open the Zoom app. I'll hit the Submit button, and let's see what happens. Sure, would you like me to open Zoom app for you? And I have to select yes. And as soon as I selected yes, the Zoom app opened for me. It's that simple, allowing Copilot to do the work for you. You can use Copilot to open apps on your system for you, like Notepad or other apps. Here's how that's done. I've opened Copilot by using the shortcut key of the Windows key and C for Copilot. Now that it's opened, next we're going to give it a command of please open Notepad. Hit the Submit button, and let's see what happens. Open an app. Sure. Would you like me to open Notepad app for you? The answer is yes. And as soon as I select the yes option, Notepad is opened for me. That simple. Let Copilot do the work for you. To change a setting, you can say or type something like turn on Bluetooth or change theme to dark. Copilot will change the setting for you and show you a confirmation message. You can also use the word setting to specify the setting name, such as change setting volume to 50. Here's an example. I've opened Copilot by using the shortcut key of the Windows key and C for Copilot. And now that Copilot is open, the command I want to use this time is to change the theme to dark. So we're going to use Copilot to do a command in Windows. I've typed in the command. Let's hit the Submit button and watch what happens. I'll have to say yes to the request. And once I select yes, as you can see, that's now dark mode. And also just as easily switch back, turn off dark mode. Say yes, and we're back to where it was. That simple. Again, why work hard? Let Copilot do it for you. To search the web, you can say or type something like search for Microsoft Copilot or show me the latest news. Here's an example. I've opened Copilot, and by now you know it's the Windows key and C to open it. Once it's opened, the prompt I have for Copilot this time is show me the latest news. We're still in more balanced as far as the mode is concerned. Let's hit the Submit button and see the reply. And I can attest to the fact that as of the 6th of October 2023, this is the very latest news because I just listened to it on the TV. Another example of using Copilot to let it help you get information. In this case, we got the latest news. Why work harder? Let Copilot do it for you. To create a document, you can say or type something like, create a new Word document. Here's the hands-on example. I've just opened Copilot, and yes, you guessed it, I used the Windows key and the C key to do that. Now that Copilot is open, this time I'm going to use Copilot to open a new Word document. So here's the prompt. Create a new Word document. Let's hit the Submit button and watch what happens. Again, I need to say yes, and as you can see, it's opened up Word for me, ready for me to do whatever I intend to do next. Again, why work harder? Let Copilot make life a bit easier for you. To get help, you can say or type something like, show me how to use Copilot. Here's the hands-on example. I've again opened Copilot using the Windows key and C for Copilot key, and this time I want to use Copilot to get some help. And for the prompt, it states, show me how to use Copilot. So let's click the Submit button and see what it gives me for a reply. And you're right, you don't have to ask for it to show you how to use Copilot. You can ask it to show you how to use other things. Let your imagination go wild and get some answers. This is also a great way to learn how to use Copilot if you aren't sure what you can do and can't do. I'm going to let it finish, and you'll see it's quite an extensive reply with lots and lots of information. Nothing like allowing the teacher to teach you how to do things. And it also has some places where you can go and get more information. You can also ask it for other things to do with your original question. Again, why work harder? Let Copilot do it for you. This has been a very brief glimpse into some of the functions available in balanced mode of Copilot. In the next episode, we'll start to explore the creative mode of Copilot. Just as a side note, all of the images in this video were created via a prompt to Copilot, just like the one on your left. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next episode.